Now, let's dive into the 5 things you need to know before starting architecture school. Number 1. Be prepared for a demanding workload. Architecture school is known for its rigorous curriculum and workload. Be ready to put in long hours, juggle multiple projects, and embrace the challenges that come with it. Time management and organizational skills will be your best friends during these intense years. Number 2. Develop your drawing and sketching skills. Architecture is a visual field, and being able to communicate your ideas through drawings and sketches is essential. Practice and hone your sketching abilities before starting school. It will not only help you during your studies but also throughout your career as an architect. Number 3. Embrace collaboration and teamwork. Architecture is rarely a solitary endeavor. You'll often find yourself working in teams, collaborating with other students and professionals. Learn to communicate effectively, listen to different perspectives, and contribute your ideas in a collaborative environment. This skill will be invaluable as you embark on real-world architectural projects. Number 4. Cultivate your design thinking. Architecture is not just about creating beautiful structures. It's about solving complex problems and addressing the needs of the users and the environment. Embrace a holistic approach to design thinking, considering factors such as sustainability, functionality, and cultural context. This mindset will set you apart as a thoughtful and innovative architect. Lastly, number 5. Stay inspired and curious. Architecture is an ever-evolving field with new technologies, materials, and design trends emerging constantly. Stay updated with the latest advancements, attend workshops and conferences, visit architectural landmarks, and surround yourself with inspiring works of architecture. Let your curiosity fuel your passion for design and push you to continuously learn and grow. And there you have it, the 5 essential things you need to know before starting architecture school. Remember, it's a journey filled with hard work, creativity, collaboration, and lifelong learning. Embrace the challenges, stay motivated, and keep your eyes on the prize. I hope you found this video helpful and insightful. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences or tips for aspiring architects, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep dreaming.